EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martinger with your outlook for September 19th, 2019. High pressure and control of our weather continues today with another day, almost a carbon copy of what we saw yesterday. Mostly sunny skies, bright sunshine, in fact. And we should have temperatures that are going to be right around 70, 72-ish today for highs. Low humidity, very nice day across the region. And no issues with precipitation. As a matter of fact, going forward, we talked about this all week. We have this extended period of dry weather that is expected, and we don't really have a chance for any rain until we get to maybe later on Monday or Monday night. More likely Monday night is the way it's looking right now. We do have a mostly sunny Friday coming up. Is going to warm up just a little bit here on Friday and get back to near average. So we are technically slightly below average today. Get a near to slightly above average here on Friday, and then the warmth starts to kick in on Saturday, and that's because we have that same high pressure was over top of us is now down off to our south and east, and so return flow around that brings in wind like this, and that gets your temperatures up considerably. We should have still low dew points though in the 50s, but so it's not going to be a very high humidity day like we would have with this kind of setup here in, say, late July or something like that. So we are going to get temperatures in the mid-80s. Some areas will get to the upper 80s down here by Philadelphia. Probably more so on Sunday. Here's a look at Sunday. And again, no precipitation expected through the weekend. Mostly sunny skies both weekend days. Yet another fantastic weekend coming. And then we go into Monday. Here's late Monday. You can see a cold front that's going to be pushing eastward at this point. It's still all the way back here, though. So any precipitation only gets to about western Pennsylvania. Only the leading edge gets to here by the time we get to 8 p.m. on Monday. So we should remain dry here for most areas on Monday. But once we get into Monday evening and overnight, you might have a few showers here. This really does not look too exciting. So a few showers rotating through as the actual frontal boundary moves through. And then Tuesday morning, if there's any clouds in eastern areas, they'll give way to sun. Elsewhere will be partly cloudy here on Tuesday. Then once we get to Wednesday, finally we are mostly sunny in the wake of that front. But here's the temperatures we're looking at again. These blues indicate slightly below average temperatures. Any white is near average. And then the redder you get is the warmer these temperatures will get. These are temperature anomalies, comparing what is considered to be normal this time of year and then projecting temperatures based on that on either side. So here we are slightly below average today, and I'm just going to move this through time here so you can see as we get into Friday, we're right on the cusp of kind of near average across the region. And then once we get into Saturday, you see it warms up considerably, even more so Sunday and Monday. Get some really dark reds and really dark red showing up here. That indicates some very well above average temperatures, and that's what we're expecting going into the weekend. Again, mid to upper 80s. Would not be surprised if somewhere near, especially near the Philadelphia area, or some of the Metro Island, the Heat Island areas, might encroach on 90 degrees. Not impossible by the time we get to Sunday and Monday. And if that front is held up a little bit on Monday, as we think it's going to be, you'll have another chance of that here on Monday, not just Sunday. I think Saturday you're probably mid to upper 80s, and then Sunday you're closer to the upper 80s, but it might get close enough to reach 90 in a few locations. Then that front goes through, and we have temperatures that are going to drop behind it here for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, but still down to near average or maybe very slightly above, talking about maybe upper 70s for highs. So that's a few degrees above average of what it should be this time of year. Most areas were in the mid 70s, give or take a few degrees for average highs for this time of year. So a very nice week coming up. We don't have much precipitation to speak of. As a matter of fact, just this little bit Monday, it looks like Monday evening and overnight, but just a few showers with that. Not a lot of quantitative precipitation with that system and that front as it moves through. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martinger. That is our outlook for September 19th, 2019. Have a great Thursday.